Alright, welcome to my workshop. 398 square feet of heaven. Let's start with some boards. I need to make a template for this build, as this is going to be a really cool plant stand for my wife, but I want to add some really cool Japanese style joinery. Making a really nice template is going to make this process much easier and repeatable. After the template was smoothed and polished, it was time to move on to this black walnut. These are going to be the legs for this plant stand. Now I'm simply going to trace the template onto the black walnut and then use the bandsaw to cut it out. But I'm going to cut just proud of the line, so that way I can use a flush trim bit to make it the exact same size as the template. I have two flush trim bits. One is gigantic, and the other one's just medium. Which one do you think I chose? Okay, so I chose the smaller one. I was a little intimidated with the big boy. Overall, the cuts came out pretty nice. I'm a little bit gappy in just a couple of spots like the shoulders, but I'll clean that up. While we wait for these boards to glue up and cure, I'm going to turn on YouTube and watch my favorite new channel of this year, Lincoln Woodworks. His name is John. Go check him out. I noticed a couple of areas that I had blowout. No worries, I can fix that. But the important part was the sliding dovetails, and those came out great.
Let's see if this big Amazon tropical plant fits. Please, 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 please. Yes, yes. All right. If you guys like this video, smash that like, smash that subscribe. If you don't, that's okay too. But I'll see you next Friday. Peace. Whew. You did it, baby. You did it. I love you.